In the vast and ever-evolving world of culinary arts, chefs and gastronomists continually seek novel ingredients and flavors to entice the palate and to provide diners with memorable experiences. Among the less conventional items to grace the plate is shark meat, an ingredient that, for many, sparks both intrigue and controversy. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of shark cuisine, examining the history, preparation methods, cultural significance, and ethical considerations surrounding this unique protein. Shark meat, for centuries, has been a staple in certain coastal and island communities, prized for its abundance and versatility. Historically, seafaring nations incorporated shark into their diets, not only out of necessity, but also for its distinct culinary profile. Its availability in coastal waters made it a practical choice, allowing cultures from Asia to the Americas to develop unique preparations. Primarily versatile, shark meat is celebrated for its firm texture, often likened to that of swordfish. This characteristic allows chefs to employ various cooking techniques, from grilling and frying to baking and stewing. One prevalent culinary tradition comes from Iceland, where fermented shark, known as hákarl, is a delicacy with a distinctive, if acquired, taste profile. Similarly, in Japan, shark fin soup is valued for its gelatinous texture and is often served during occasions requiring elaborate banquets, reflecting cultural reverence and a hint of sophistication. Seasoning and marination play pivotal roles in mitigating the strong ammonia scent associated with many shark species. This trait is due to the absence of a urinary system in sharks, leading to a buildup of urea in their tissues. Fortunately, soaking the meat in milk or lemon juice can neutralize these odors, allowing the more subtle flavors to shine. However, as appetites for shark meat expanded globally, so did awareness of the environmental and ethical implications of its consumption. Overfishing has raised significant concerns, threatening numerous shark species and destabilizing marine ecosystems. Public outcry has led to stricter regulation and policies aimed at curbing unsustainable practices, including the notorious shark finning. Organizations worldwide advocate for sustainable seafood consumption, encouraging a balanced approach that honors cultural traditions while preserving dwindling marine populations for future generations. As we reflect on the role of shark cuisine within the broader gastronomic landscape, an important conversation emerges about the intersection of tradition, taste, and responsibility. Culinary enthusiasts and professionals alike are faced with the challenge of preserving the rich tapestry of flavors that shark meat has historically offered, all while navigating the complex ethical terrain of modern sustainability. In conclusion, while shark cuisine presents a rich tableau of history and innovation, it also serves as a reminder of our profound responsibility to our environment. As we savor the tastes of the deep, we must ensure that these gastronomic endeavors do not come at the cost of ecological harmony. By fostering an informed appreciation for these culinary traditions, we contribute to a legacy that respects both nature and the diverse cultures that have sprung from its bounty. Only then can we truly celebrate the culinary world of shark tastes in a manner that is both sumptuous and sustainably minded.